Hello, everybody. Okay, I have some pretty exciting news. Well, I'm excited, but I'm also a big nerd on some new Domo ETL features thanks to Domo, Andrea Henderson, and her amazing team. So check this out. Let me show you what this original data set is. I have just dates in here. Look at this Jan 1, 2021. Second row is March 4th, 2022, 0301. Okay, whatever. What a limit does is in SQL world, when we would write something, we would say, hey, you know what? Limit 1000. And that limit 1000 means just only give me 1000 rows. And why might you do that? Because maybe you don't need everything. Maybe that's just a way for you to test so that you can have the ETL run faster, whatever. So what we could do here is we can now put this limit in. I could say limit 100 rows, 1000 rows, 200. I could put whatever number I want in here. So we give you the first 100 rows. What this one offset thing is, offset means go shift down one row. That's what that one is. If I said 10, it means go start on the 10th row. Okay. So why would we do that? Well, check this out. If I go here, I have Jan 1, 2021. If I go to limit and I look at my preview, I start on the March 4th number 001, which was my second row. You might want to do this especially if you get CSV files that have like a header at the top. I hate those things where it has the date, it has the name of the report. I don't know, the 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 owner's mother's name for some reason. There's just a bunch of things that don't need to be in there. Well, you could say, you know what? Instead of cutting it out in a CSV and then resaving it, you could just say, hey, go offset to go start on that row instead. Cool. That's one reason why I can do it. Another one that I'm actually really excited about is this order one. So when I used to have to do an order or a rank of something, I have to do something like this. Rank, I have to tell this feature right here, which is under aggregate rank and window, hit apply. And I have to say what I want to rank on. I want to rank on that thing, and then I want to do that thing by this thing, and then maybe I want to do it by another thing here too, by I don't know, by country or something like that. I have all these things that I need to do in here, right? I'm like, oh, or maybe I want to do like this. I want to do ID by that thing. I have to click all these things, and it's not bad. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But I can do that actually in a faster shot. I can say, you know what? Go order impression by ID. Give me that descending ascending order, and then impressions is descending. And when I do it that way, boom! Look what I get. 00001. These are all the IDs that I have for that specific portfolio company, and they're my impressions in descending order. 2 clicks, much easier. So there we go. Anyway, that's cool. I think it's awesome. I think the order one especially is going to save me a lot of time. Little things like that go a long way. I hope you do get a shot to use it.